and the fungi sustain us. They clean up the waters that flow, and even the fuel that we put in our cars is fossilized energy from plants long ago. When I imagine a world without plants, well, there's not much to think of. We'd cease to exist, cease to be. And it reminds me to nurture each and every green friend, because we're in charge of creating the world we want to see.
Our wild plants don't have a voice, and they desperately need ours. So please, today of all days, let's shout and sing and make our voices heard for plants, for people, for nature.